Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Gupta. I welcome you on Sanjay Gupta Tech School. So, this is day 11 of Cybersecurity Bootcamp, and I have Sumit with me. So, welcome Sumit on the platform. And Sumit will be sharing some more insight related to cybersecurity in today's session. So, I hand over mic to Sumit. So, Sumit, please start the session.
Hello, welcome again on the Cybersecurity Bootcamp Day 11. Today, I'm going to discuss about how to install some scripts in your Kali Linux operating system, which we have learned in yesterday's session how to operate Kali Linux. Some of the basic command we seen. So I hope you everyone read some of the commands and practice. So today we are installing some more scripts related to our security, how to when we are going to penetrate a target, when we are going to testing a target, we need some of the scripts, some of the tools. So how to install these scripts and tools. So before starting this, let me introduce myself. So you already know my name. My name is Sumit Jain, and I'm an ethical hacker and cybersecurity expert. I'm working as a SYNAC Red Team and Pentabug Red Team. Apart from that, I am a senior security specialist at Gton Networks. I have 10 plus years experience in cybersecurity. Previously, I am working as a guest instructor in Central Detective Training School. Right now, I'm helping students, freshers, and professionals to build their career in cybersecurity, and I'm guiding to how to make career in this cybersecurity stream. So you can follow me on my YouTube channel. The channel name is Cybersecurity Zone, where I'm regularly creating and posting content related to cybersecurity and various areas of cybersecurity. You can follow the Sanjay Gupta Tech School as well, for where I'm conducting this cybersecurity boot camp. And you can connect me on these below platforms. I'm available on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Telegram group as well. The important links or all these handles links will be available in video description. So go check that out. So today we are going to install some of the scripts according to our session tracker. Our session tracker, we have Recon in day 11. We have Recon using scripts, subdomain collections, link collection, and filtration. So to do this, we need some of the tools related to cybersecurity. So first tools we have is Subfinder. I already told you how to find Subfinder in your Linux stream. So here is the link to download the script. You need to click on that. Remember that scripts we are going to use is available on GitHub. All the security related tools available on GitHub. So you need to install this. So Subfinder is a subdomain discovery tool created by Project Discovery, and this is the tool. This is the script. It is written in Go. So you need to install Go as well. I already told you in yesterday's session how to install Go language in your Linux operating system. So you need to first install this Subfinder, and to do this, you need to use this command. This is the installation command. So go install. This is the installation command. Go installed -v, and then the find path name which you are going to see, github.com/project discovery/subfinder v2cmd subfinder and latest. Copy this command and paste it into your Linux terminal. So this tool will be installed. So this is our Linux terminal. And if you want to install this, so let's move into another directory, because I already installed, and paste it here, the command. Subfinder GitHub. Open the link again and copy the installation command. Paste it here and then click on. Your tool will be installed in short. While this script is installing, let's check out that how we will use this script. So this script basically find some subdomains related to your target. So how to use this tool? You can check the manual. Here is the manual of this tool. So we have -d flag. D4 is for domain, and the domain name to find subdomains for -dl, file containing list of domains for subdomain discovery. If you have a multiple domains, you want to collect subdomains, so you will use -dl flag. And these are some more commands related to subfinder. We can use -o for output. We can use -config for our configuration files. We can use -up for update subfinder to latest version. We can use -rl for rate limit. Rate limit basically is maximum number of HTTP requests to send per second, so that your web application firewall will not block you in first place. So let's use these commands. So my subfinder will be installed. Let's check out this is installed or not. So subfinder is installed. You can specify the D flag. You can write subfinder, specify the D flag is -d. We are giving -d is for our domain. So I'm giving here tesla.com, and then click on enter. When you enter, this script will find all the domains and will display the result here. So subfinder is running, and in short process, you can see all the domains related to tesla.com. This will take some time to find subdomains, so you need to wait. Here is all the subdomains subfinder will find. So you can see Tesla, ACDPNA, ehstesla.com, studio.sandboxcourses.com, www.tesla.com, referral.tesla.com. So all the subdomains we have for Tesla is displayed here. So total 620 subdomains for tesla.com is finded via this script. Why we use these scripts? Because when manually collect the subdomains, some subdomains will be missed. So we use different scripts to collect all the subdomains. If you want to store the result in a file, you can use -o flag and give a file name like tesla.txt. All the results will be stored in this file. Let's run the command again and see if our collected data will be stored or not. So let's open the file of tesla.txt, and you can see all the data will be stored. So with the help of -o command, you can easily store your collected data. Now, let's use some more flag. So basically we have a -dl flag, which is used for if we have multiple domains in our list. So let's create a list and give some data in it. I'm giving testing.txt and giving some data. Let's give tesla.com and facebook.com, and let's give one more target like twitter.com. Save this file, and you can see if we open this file, we have 3 domains written in it. So if you want to find all the subdomains of all these 3 domains, you need to use subfinder -dl. As you can see, we have -dl for list, file containing list of subdomains for subdomain discovery. So we need to specify -dl, and then our file name. Our file name is this, and let's store all the result with the help of -o, and give here some new name of our text file. this script will running, and this script will collect all the subdomains of all your three targets and store the result in this file. So basically, Subfinder is used for subdomain discovery, for collecting all the subdomains for our subdomains. Let's see. All 620 domains of Tesla is completed. Now it's enumerating subdomains for facebook.com. After this process is complete, it will enumerate the target twitter.com and store all the results in our giving output file. So we need to use various scripts for checking our results, because some of the discovery tools will collect these subdomains from different services. So we need to use some more subdomain discovery tool to reconfirm our result. To do that, we have another tool in our pocket. The tool name is Asset Finder. You can also find the downloading link in your GitHub. Type in the Google Asset Finder GitHub. You need to find, you have a file which is placed in GitHub, and then find the installation command. This is the installation command for Asset Finder. Go get -u github.com/tomnomnom and Asset Finder. Let's see if our result is completed. So see, 11,000 subdomains are collected for the domain of facebook.com. And right now it is enumerating for twitter.com. While this process is running, let's install our another tool, which is Subfinder. So I'm giving the command, go install -v and then Asset Finder. Click enter. This is our complete command. So your Asset Finder will be installed, and you can see our Subfinder result is also completed. So let's clear the terminal, open the file with the help of cat testing test new, and you see we have all the subdomains for twitter.com, we have all the subdomains for facebook.com, we have all the subdomains for tesla.com. So Subfinder process is complete. Now let's give this target or this file into another subdomain discovery tool, which is Asset Finder. To find the subdomain using Asset Finder, you need to run Asset Finder, then give -subs only. This is the flag which will find only subdomains related to your target, and give the target name. If you want to store the result, you can specify -o and then a file name in which you want to store all the results. I'm not storing the result because I already have tesla.com files. So let's enter. And when you enter, you can see all the result will be displayed. These are all the subdomains of tesla.com. Now, if you want to find subdomains for a list of file, you need to use the file is Tesla This is our file, and use asset finder and then hyphen subs hyphen only. Now you will have all the subdomains related to your file, which is facebook.com, tesla.com, and twitter.com. So asset finder is also very useful when you are going to collect some of the subdomains for a given target. We have another tool which is going to collect subdomains. The tool name is AMAS. You can also find the AMAS package in GitHub. Click on the link and you can find the installation command. Scroll a bit and here is the installation. So you can install with these different commands, and this is the command you need to copy and run in your terminal. So this AMAS tool will install in your Linux. Then you can give a subdomain or a domain name or a file to collect all the domains or subdomains. So let's install this as well and run AMAS. So I'm using another terminal and AMAS is already installed. So let's check the command for running process. So you can type AMAS and then enum hyphen passive, specify hyphen D flag, D is for domain, and then give your domain name. Hit enter and you will have all the subdomains of Tesla. So I'm using 3 different tools for collecting the same subdomains related to Tesla, and then we will sort all the domains with the help of a tool which will remove duplicate subdomains and sort all the 3 files into one. So we have a final file for our output. Our asset finder result is completed. You can see we have different subdomains for Twitter and Facebook and Tesla. So our AMAS is also running and it will give the result. The result is displayed. So you can see all the different subdomains of tesla.com. Now, if you want to collect all the data and want to sort it out, we have a tool called ANU. ANU will remove all the duplicates and store the result in a single file. So you can filter out all the results with the help of ANU. It is also written in Go. You need to install it. The installation process is given here. So this is the command to install this script. You need to paste this in your terminal and then ANU will be installed. And how to run ANU? So let's go back to our terminal and see how to run ANU. So first, I need to put a target. I need to run a file. Subfinder -d, D is for domain, and then tesla.com, and then use pipe and use ANU. Using pipe, we can run 2 different tools at the same time. If you want to run 2 different tools in the same time, you can use a function called pipe in Linux distribution. So right now, what this will do, Subfinder will collect all the subdomains of tesla.com, and then ANU will filter that out and store the result into a new file. So let's give a final file name, which is Tesla final, and then txt. This will enumerate the Tesla and will store all the result in Tesla final. Now let's collect the subdomains for Tesla using asset finder. So this is our asset finder command, and use ANU and store the result in the same file. So our file is Tesla final. Now ANU will only store new domains which will be collected by asset finder. The previously stored subdomains will be filtered out, and it will not store the already collected domains, already saved domains. Run asset finder. The result which will be discovered by asset finder will be stored in ANU. Now run AMAS also in this domain. For using AMAS, the command is AMAS -- passive -d. Give the domain name and also store the result into Tesla final. So we have a common file which is Tesla final, and it will have all the results which will be collected by Subfinder, Asset Finder, and AMAS. All these three different tools running and discovering our subdomains and store the result in a single file. So we have a final file which is tesla.teslafinal.txt, and in this file we have all the different subdomains which will be collected using all these three tools. We have some more tools related to subdomain discovery. The tool name is, you can use these tools as well. So you can use NocPy. NocPy is also a tool which is written in Python, and this tool will also help you to collect subdomain. So you need to install it. So the installation command is here. You can copy this and then use git clone to copy the file, because it is written in Python. So you need to clone it. You need to clone the git file into your terminal. So let's see how this will done. This is our directory where I'm installing all the tools. So you need to git space clone and then give the path of the code, which is this is the path of our code. So if you are going to install a Python based tool, you need to clone it. For cloning the file, you need to use git clone and then give the file name. The file name you can find here. Click on this and you can find the cloning link here. So copy this and use with this git clone, and your git file will be cloned into your directory. So let's check out if our noc is present or not. So you can see our noc directory is created. In this directory, we have the code for NocPy. How to use this? Let's go to this directory. And then you can use Python 3 nocpy.py and then give the domain name you want to find subdomains for. So NocPy will also find the subdomains of tesla.com. So we have multiple tools to do the task to find subdomain discovery. You can use all these different tools, or you can use one tool. But if you want some filtered results or some more results of your domain, you can use all these tools related to subdomain discovery. We also have some more tools we can use. So I'm going to show you how how those tools are, but I'm not going to install it. You can install of your own. So we have a tool called find domain. This tool will also help you to collect the subdomains. Find domain. This is also used to collect the subdomains, so you can use this as well. We have one more tool called sublister. This tool will also we use for collecting the subdomains. So you can use this tool as well. This is written in Python, so you need to clone it with the help of this command and using git clone. Here is the installation command. You can see git clone and the file path name. And then how to use it, you can find the installation and the user uses. -D is for domain. You can specify with the flag with the help of -D and specify your domain name and then run sublister. Sublister will be collecting all the subdomains and display the result. So we have 6 different tools for collecting the subdomains. So I'm going to write once again. So if you are going to do our subdomain discovery, we have a tool called subfinder, we have asset finder, we have AMAS, we have sublister, we have NockPy, we have find domain. These 6 scripts are used to find subdomains, and with the help of these 6 scripts, you can collect the various domain or various subdomains related to your target. And with the help of ANU, you can filter all these results and store them into a single file. Now, if you want to collect the links or URL of a domain, like this is our domain, and if you want to collect the URLs of this domain, like these are all the URLs, like we have about, we have contact. So if you want to collect all these links with the help of some of scripts, so we have some link collecting scripts as well, and the name of these scripts are first script we have is Katana. Then we use Gao, and then we use Wayback URLs. So you need to install it first. You can find the installation process in your GitHub. So let's check that out. So first install Katana. You can type in your Google Katana GitHub. This will take you to the GitHub page of Katana. Katana is also developed by Project Discovery, and it is Go-based tools. It is written in Go, so you can use the installation command here. The command is given here. You can paste this command into your terminal and then use Katana to grab all the links related to your target. So let's see how Katana will work, how Katana will collect all the link related to your target. So for using Katana, you can type Katana and then specify -u. Why we use -u? Because -u is used for giving the URL. You need to give a domain name, full domain name. I'm giving here tesla.com and then hit enter. Katana will run, and then all the links of related to Tesla will be displayed. So you can see this is a link and it will be discovered by Katana. We have different links. You can scroll down and you can see we have we have https tesla.com/enau. We have one more link, solar roof. We have solar panels. We have energy/design. We have model X design. Now, if you want to find these links in depth, Katana also have a flag to find all these links in depth. So for depth, we use D and give the depth. I'm going to give here 5. So Katana will find more URLs. So you can see Katana is running and it will find more URLs related to your target. And if you want to store the result, you can use -O flag. O is output. O is used for output. So you can use -O and give the file name you want to store your result. And you can use new as well. Use new and then give a file name you want to store your result. And your result will be stored in this file name you are giving. So you can see Katana is running and it will find all the links related to your target. Then we can filter out and when we can read if some links are important or not. We need to discover if some link is leaking some sensitive data or not. Right. For example, here we have a config file, so you can use and open this file if see this have some valuable information or not. So let's copy this file and use this in your browser. So you can see a configuration file will be displayed. So with the help of Katana, we can find all the links related to your target. And to do that process, we have one more tool. The tool name is Wayback URL. This script will also help you to find links and you can install with GitHub. Use Google to find the GitHub page, type Wayback URLs GitHub, click on the GitHub link, and here you can find the installation command. So this is the installation command. Using this command, install this script, and then we can use Wayback URL to find or to grab all the links. So let's use this Wayback URL as well. So I'm stopping this process forcefully and using the Wayback URL, and I'm giving some of the domains, like I want to find links for this domain. So I'm calling the domain and then give Wayback URLs and then hit enter. Your links will be displayed shortly. This will take some time to proceed. So you need to wait some time and then all the result will be displayed. While this is running, we can see another tool. The tool name is GAO, and it will also help you to collect the URLs or links. So you can find the GitHub page of GAO. GAO is developed by IC. This is also a Go-based tool, so you need to install it. You can find the installation command here. Copy this command, paste it in your terminal, and then install this GAO script. And how to use this GAO, you can find all the flags of how to use GAO. GAO is also very helpful to collect all the links because it will find the links in Wayback Machine and URL scan and from Alien World. So GAO is get all URLs, and GAO fetches known URLs from Alien Worlds, Open Threat Exchange, the Wayback Machine, common crawls, and URL scan for any given domain. So we can give a domain name and then run GAO. So GAO will collect all the links from these all different locations and will display all the result into your terminal. So let's see our wayback URL is our wayback URL result is finished, and you can see wayback URL can find some more links related to your target. Now use GAO for this, the same URL. You can use GAO. Hit enter, and then GAO will display all the result. So we have these three script to get all the URLs, to collect all the links. Collect all the links. So we have three more script to collect all the links, and you can use ANU to filter links or subdomains. You can filter anything with the help of ANU. Let's go back to our terminal. If we are, our process is completed or not. So GAO is still running and connecting all the links. So GAO is basically much faster and much better tool. So you can use GAO for collecting all the links related to your domain. We can run GAO on different domains as well. For example, if you have a file which have all the different domains, but you need to find all the links in a single file, so you can put the file as, this is our file. This is our file. We have three different domains, and if you want to collect all the URLs of these three different domains, you can call our file and then can use GAO. So GAO will first run on Tesla, and then run on Facebook, and then run on Twitter, and will display all the result of the or collected result in your display. You can use ANU to store the result, or you can use -O to collect or to store the result in a file. So we can run these different scripts to collect all the subdomains or to collect all the links. Then we can filter them and get what we want with the help of grab. So if you want to grab the link only for config, you need to use grab command on this stored file, and then use grab, and then give some keyword you want to filter, like config files, admin files, some of the database files, SQL related files. So these links are important. Using these links, we can find some sensitive data, we can find some configuration data, we can find some open panels, we can find some customer data, we can find some configuration files, we can find database files, we can find some API tokens, we can find access tokens. So these links are important. You need to collect all the links. As you can see, GAO is still running. So GAO can collect more links compared to Katana and Wayback URL. You can find the using manual in their GitHub page. So these have some more commands, like Katana is also have these flags used for different purposes. Like if you want to depth, if you want to crawl depth process, you can use -D. If you want to crawl JS files, you can use -JC. If you want to give crawl duration, you can use -CT. -KF is used for enable crawling of known files. So you can check the manuals of all these tools. These tools have different commands. These tools have different flags, and using these tools you can find some of the interesting results. So guys, if you have any question, you can comment down. If you have some problem in your installing these scripts, you can comment down, or you can ask me in the Telegram group. So I will wrap up this session here. Tomorrow on Monday, we will learn, we will installing some more tools and find some vulnerabilities with the help of these tools.
Okay, so I think we are done with today's session. So, guys, will connect Monday next week, and Sumit will be explaining few more topics to you. So, till the time, whatever he explained and demonstrated this week, so you can practice in the remaining week. And I hope you are getting lots of information. And if you want to watch like specific videos related to particular topic, so you can just follow his YouTube channel, the Cybersecurity Zone, and there you will find lots of stuff to study. Okay, with this note, we take your leave. Thank you, Sumit, for sharing your knowledge and giving your time to the folks.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. See you on Monday.